Hey guys, it's Thomas from the Barber Style Directory, and welcome to the final video of 2021. To every new subscriber that I've gained this year, and to all the loyal subscribers that have been subscribed from day one, I want to thank you all from the bottom of my heart. This channel wouldn't be where it is today without all of you guys. If you watched last week's video, then you know that in this video, I'm going to reveal the 3 winners for the holiday giveaway. And without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and announce the winners. So first up, the first winner is Nathan CHAVIS. I think I said that right. Nathan CHAVIS. I'll have it somewhere down here on the screen. The second winner is CUTUP at, I guess I'm saying that right. And then finally, the third winner is Mike E. Justice. So congrats to all 3 of you guys. All I need you to do is send a DM to the Barber Style Directory Instagram page, and then we'll go from there. And for those of you that didn't win this giveaway, don't get discouraged. There will be more giveaways in the future. I just want to say that this has been a great year, and I can't wait to show you guys what's in store for 2022. I'm going to try to do everything I can to keep bringing you guys fresh and new content and just coming up with different videos to help you guys become better barbers. So with that being said, that's going to wrap up this video. Comment below what videos you guys want to see in 2022. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all on the next video.